Okay, hey, we are talking a little bit about projectiles today. We're just starting our conversation. I zoomed out here, so hopefully you can see the board. With projectiles, we are talking about anything that has a motion that is not along a constant plane here. So, like I said, here is our first look. An object that is traveling at an angle. Now we know that over the course of time, that trajectory is going to look like that. It might look like that, and kind of anywhere in between here for projectile motion. All right, so that is what we're going to be working on here, this unit. We're not going to start off with an object moving up against gravity. We're going to start off with projectiles that are being dropped downward. So a big point of emphasis is going to be that 9.8 meters per second squared as the only force that's acting upon it. All right, so we're going to start off with that for the first assignment. For assignment number 2, as you guys will get into, that is going to be the force acting on it. But we are going to be launching objects straight out over a cliff, okay, or off a table, or into some sort of situation where the only force that's acting on is gravity. And so we'll see this kind of motion out of there. Can you see that? Yeah, you can kind of see that. That's okay. So the big thing that we're going to need to do with that is we have to break our problem up into 2 different steps, right? We have to break it into let me switch markers, make it a little easier for us. You have to make it into a vertical component and a horizontal component. Now the horizontal component, no acceleration. So we're just using velocity equals distance over time for our formula there in the horizontal plane. Apologize, that's not easy for you guys to see, but distance or velocity equals distance over time. And then for the vertical component, we will use our traditional acceleration formulas that we've learned over the past few weeks here together. So with that, go ahead and give number 1 a shot. It's assignment. The answer key is already posted, so you guys can double check, see how you did.